Barbecue fam. Today we're doing up a sausage stuffed spaghetti squash on the Weber 26 with a slow and sear basket. Oh hell yeah, we're cooking about 350 to 400. Within that range you can bounce up and down, but you gotta split your spaghetti squash, clean it out, and let's prep this right now. The key to splitting a spaghetti squash is a nice sharp knife. Be careful, stab in one end and just cut around slowly. Be careful. Then you want to use a big spoon, scoop all the stuff out, just like carving a pumpkin. Oh hell yeah. So you got your spaghetti squash halves. Let's hit it with a little bit of oil. Just drizzle that all over. Nice thin layer of avocado oil is what I'm using. Then I'm coming in behind with some Cosmos SPG. Use your favorite. Just salt and pepper will work here, but we're going with a little bit more garlic punch with that sausage stuffing cheese spinach mix that we're going to be making up. So let's just nice liberal coating. Again, you can't mess this up. Just like that, you're ready to go. Once your grill is up to temp, you're going to put it on indirect, and we're going to go for about 45 minutes to an hour, so this becomes very tender and you can pry it all out with a fork. Then we're going to make that sausage spinach stuffing for the inside. It's going to be cheesy, it's going to be amazing, and this thing's going to be full of flavor and it's kind of healthy. The Weber is up to 350, and open it, let it vent out. We've got pretty clean burn right now. We're just using charcoal briquettes. There's a goose in the sky, wants to go south. I hear him. Now I saved enough room for a 16-inch cast iron skillet so we can fry up our sausage, throw in that spinach, some heavy cream, and some Parmesan cheese, and we're gonna cook that down to go on the inside of these spaghetti squashes. And then we're gonna coat it up with a big thick layer of mozzarella cheese. Oh hell yeah. We're gonna add a cast iron pan to the side of the charcoal, and we're gonna fry up some hot sausage. Get a local sausage if you've got one in your area. We're using Basilio Buddha. Oh hell yeah, best sausage hands down, unless you make your own. And then we're gonna cook down some spinach in it, add in some heavy cream, about a cup or so, and then some Parmesan cheese, a handful, and then some of this Cosmos beer can chicken rub. Add that in there. We're gonna cook that all down, and that's gonna be our stuffing for the spaghetti squash. We're 35 minutes in. Let's check this. Halfway point. We still got at least 20 to 30 more minutes, but we're gonna add this pan real quick to get it nice and hot. Then we're gonna fry up that sausage, add in our spinach, cook that down. Alright, now that sausage mixture is going to thicken up. Let's check the spaghetti squash. You just start peeling. You just start peeling it back with a fork, twisting it around, and loosening up all the spaghetti squash on the inside. And then we're going to fill it up. Once this sausage stuffing is thickened up, loaded up, and then add in some mozzarella. Let it go for another 5-10 minutes. Pull that a little early because the cast iron is still so hot. It will thicken right here. A lot of herbs and garlic in this, and it smells amazing. The sausage mixture stuffing is ready to go. Like, that looks great. Let's load the spaghetti squash up with this sausage stuffing. Oh, hell yeah. And a little more of that beer can chicken rub. So you want to let the spaghetti squash rest a little bit because it's going to be so hot on the inside. But I've been tearing at it, pulling at it, and it's still steaming, but I can't resist that bite much longer. Hell yeah. Sausage stuffed spaghetti squash. Cheers, folks. Hell yeah. You can't get much better than that. Wow. Rockin'. Use a quality sausage. And this rocks. So good. You must do it. It's that time of year. And the best part is, you don't need no dishes. It's already in its own bowl. We're eating vegetables tonight. Oh, hell yeah. We're being healthy. Cheers to that. Guys, if you've never tried spaghetti squash, it's amazing on its own. But man, you stuff it with your favorite ingredients, and this is a killer combination and an easy meal to do. Do it in an oven, on a grill, any smoker, pellet grill, whatever you got. Fire it up, get this thing cut open, clean it out, smoke it, cook it, bake it, whatever you want. 350, 400 degrees for about an hour. Once you can flake it away, add in your ingredients after you fry that up. I use hot Italian sausage, spinach, heavy cream, and then we added in some of that beer can chicken from Cosmos, that rub, and heavy garlic and herbs. Mixed it all up, and then Parmesan cheese to string it up a little bit more, and then topped it with mozzarella cheese. Oh, hell yeah. That's killer. And this thing grew from the ground. Yeah. You can't go wrong. Try this recipe out. It's amazing. Give me a thumbs up. Oh, hell yeah. Catch you on the next one.